Hi guys, I'm just going to introduce you to Sonia Sanders. She's in my Cleaner Academy and she has done amazingly well. So proud of her. And I'm doing this because I want to brag how amazing she is and how determined she now is pushing her business forward, and I'm expecting great things for her. So Sonia, thank you very much for joining me today. I would just like to ask you a few questions about your journey, and I would just like to ask you where you were, where your business were, and what you felt like before you started your Cleaner journey.
Okay, that's fine. So this time last year, I was really stressed, didn't think I could go on, and then joining Cleaner Me has totally changed things. I have tripled my staff in a year, I've tripled my turnover, and I feel less stressed and more in control and more happier with the way I run my business.
Brilliant. So, and what do you think was the main things that contributed to, because I know we had like a one-to-one session in the beginning, but I think, what do you think has contributed more to your success that you've had throughout this experience? What was available for you inside the Cleaner Me Academy?
So I went through the customer magnet system in the Cleaner Me Academy, and I did it step by step as it says in the customer magnet system, and that just totally changed everything. It gave me more confidence to implement the things that I already had in place but didn't have like properly in place, and now it's all properly in place. It's given me the boost that I needed.
Brilliant. And how are you liking the weekly meetings? I remember you saying that they really helped you as well.
So the weekly meetings give me the kick up the behind that I actually need. If I'm feeling down and I feel a bit stressed, the weekly meetings just make you just go, whoo, because you feel like everybody on the Zoom is in the same position, and you just have a little rant about things, and it just makes you think you're not in this alone.
Oh, that's awesome. Very glad to hear that help. Would you recommend this to other cleaning business owners, and particularly which cleaning business owners would you recommend this to, and what position do you think they need to be in, or they will benefit from Cleaner Me?
So yeah, I would recommend Cleaner Me to everybody. I do on my Instagram weekly as well to try and get people in it. But yeah, it's people that are struggling with employment, people that are just starting out, just basically people who are like struggling and think, oh, I've had enough. This will like proper bring you back and give you the boost, and yeah, boost that you need, and you will triple your turnover in a year. Believe me, I've done it.
That's awesome. And so there's a lot of people out there that struggle with this myth there's no such thing as a good quality employer out there, and I know that you've actually smashed that and proved everybody wrong. Why do you think that is, and what advice have you got for anybody that's struggling with that at the moment?
So take your time when employing. Do not take the first person on. If you don't like the person that you're interviewing, or you've got a bad vibe about this person, don't just take it on because you need staff. Always take your time and have a good vibe with the person you're wanting to take on. I used to just take on anybody willy-nilly, and it just doesn't work because you don't get on with them. You need to have a good rapport with your staff, and to be fair, at the moment, I love every 10 members of my staff. They're absolutely brilliant. And
10?
Yeah.
10 now? Well done. Go you.
Yeah, I even had a staff member return this week.
Oh, yes. That's awesome.
Yes.
That's awesome. And you now have a supervisor doing all of your stuff for you.
Yeah, she's actually out cleaning today, bless her.
Covering well. So like I say, thank you very much for your testimonial. And if there's one thing that you want to, a message that you want to send to the cleaning business owners, the one thing that you've learned is probably the best lesson you've ever learned, what will that be?
Don't give up. Keep going, just don't give up. It's worth it in the end.
Brilliant. Awesome. That's it then, Sonia. Thank you very much. That was amazing.